So this morning's objective is new disc and pads for the Fiat. So car's jacked up, front wheels are off. The disc isn't actually that bad, there's a little bit of wear to the disc surface there, but I'm going to get in there because the pads are quite low, so I don't know if you can see that from there. Around the back it's just 2 bolts to get the carrier off, so I'll crack on with that now and get it stripped down. So first off I've got to remove the caliper. This unit here is held in with 2 little pins top and bottom. That piece of metal slides out and then the whole unit drops away, so I'm going to do that first so I can get to the body of the caliper carrier. Well, caliper's off, piston went back really easily, which is encouraging. I've now just cracked off the 2 bolts which retain the caliper carrier, so with a bit of luck, oh yeah, that's going to come straight off. It's harder when you're trying to film something. There we go. So this should remove the caliper carrier from the body, then I can get the disc off, which is just held in place with the flange. There we go. So that should just slide off now as one unit. And there we go. Right, back in the garage on the bench, that's the caliper carrier. There's a space roll washer which goes on the outside, I think. I wasn't paying attention to that as it came off, honest. I'm going to get the pads off now, which is just held in place with spring clips, and then we're going to give this a jolly good scrub and get it all cleaned up while it's off the car. Right, I don't know if you can see this, Karen, but that's the old pad thickness and that's the new. Yeah, it's about time we changed them. Right, onto the second side. I've had a bit of a change of heart because the brake discs on the car were actually pretty good. There's very little, if any, minimum wear. I can't really justify changing them at the moment, so obviously I want to save what I can. So, but the pads there, yeah, they're pretty. They're wearing unevenly. So, fortunately, both pistons have gone back nice and easily without any resistance at all. I've exercised them a few times, so I'm just going to clean this carrier up. Arguably I didn't need to take the carrier off the car because I'm not doing the disc, but I wanted the opportunity to clean it up, and it's 5 minutes to unbolt it, so I'm going to crack on and change those pads for the new ones. Well, I've cracked on and got it back together, caliper and carrier reassembled, and as you can see the brake disc isn't actually that bad, so it'll do for now. I think now, more importantly, a cup of tea.